Now, you're ready to start your unit. Plug the unit in and power on. Let's make a coconut lime daiquiri. 2½ cups unsweetened canned coconut milk, 2½ cups limeade, 3/4 cup light rum, juice of 3 limes, 1/4 cup coconut sugar. In a large bowl, whisk together all ingredients until coconut milk is emulsified and smooth. Open the cover on top of the vessel. Pour mixture through the easy fill port and close the cover. You'll notice there's a small channel that your liquid will flow down. This prevents solids from entering the unit. Make sure your liquid reaches the max fill. Minimum 16-ounce input required, maximum 64-ounce. Select Spiked Slush. Preset will start at the default/optimal temperature for ideal texture. If desired, adjust the temperature to add or reduce thickness, or if needed, to suit your recipe needs. Our RapidChill technology will kick into gear, instantly starting the cooling process. The program will continue to flash while it is in the freezing process. Once the frozen drink reaches the desired thickness, the program will remain solid. The unit will also beep to indicate program completion. Slushi will continue running to keep your frozen drink at the ideal temperature for up to 12 hours. Ready to enjoy? Place a glass on the drip tray under the pour handle. Slowly pull the pour handle towards you to start dispensing. To stop, release the pour handle back into place. For easy dispensing, ensure the unit is running on a program and the auger is turning. Looking for more recipe inspiration or have more questions? Visit ninjakitchen.com to find everything you're looking for.